he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Customs in Bradyville, Tennessee, where we are now accepting new builds. We're pretty much caught up on the builds that we have and so on and so forth. So this gives an opportunity for those of y'all that would like a vehicle, whether it be a car, truck, it really doesn't matter to us. We love everything, every brand. If you've been wanting to get one restored, customized, repaired, some work done on it, we're more than happy to take it in at this time. We have the room and we have the knowledge and the capability to do whatever you need. Whether it be a totally custom build, like this 68 here, this was a coupe, we turned it into a fastback. Everything in this car, including the custom frame that we built, independent front suspension, power rack and pinion, disc brakes all around. Everything is custom and everything's brand new. The only used part on this car is we're reusing the dash and some of the windshield wiper stuff. Besides that, we've done everything new. If this is your flavor, then we can do this pretty much any vehicle. Or if you prefer something more like this 41 Chevrolet Coupe that we have. This is currently here. This is my car. And by the way, if you're looking for cars, you just can't find something that you like for us to restore, we do have some on hand. We got the 41 Chevy here, got a 47 Chevy right there, 37 Ford truck, 47 Plymouth, and a couple more hanging around here for your interest. But I mean, if this is more your flavor, yeah, I know the Flames add 10 horsepower, I guess, then we can take something like this, turn it into whatever you want, be it a show car, rat rod, weekend cruiser, just whatever your imagination is, we can make it happen. We also do custom builds like this here. This is a 62 Comet that we have cut 13 inches out of and shortened this car and put on a 2000 Mustang chassis. Now these builds right here become pretty popular and people like to take an old car, put it on a new style frame, the way you can have fuel injected motor, gas mileage, all the amenities of a new car, but the looks and the appeal of an old car. We can take care of that to you as well. And we also do smaller jobs. As you can tell, we got a nice 3-bay shop, plus a new paint booth that I just done. So anything that you need, we should be able to take care of it. Now, this ain't saying that all we want, like some other custom and restoration shops, is your $100,000 projects. We like the big projects, but there again, some people just are not into that. We also take in some pretty basic stuff, like this Trans Am that we done for this gentleman. All he wanted was a new spoiler put on and painted, and the hood repainted and the bird put on. We was happy to do that for him, and the cost was not significant, and man, it made that old car look just 20 times better, no doubt. So pretty much anything you got, you need some type of repair. You bought a northern vehicle, got a lot of rust in it, we can take care of that as well. Panel replacements and paint, no problem for us to take care of. As you can tell, you can look at our introduction video. It shows more about the shop and equipment and things we do. But this is a no nonsense, no BS working man shop. I mean, no designer clothes here. I don't know how many holes are in this shirt. This is what I wear every day. I wear work clothes because this is a place of work. This is not some fancy TV show or something like that. So, what you see is what you get. We're for real. We do excellent work. I tend to be a little bit on the picky side, but it does show, and you definitely get what you pay for here. As part of the customer service here, You will also get very specific invoice every week on the work that has been accomplished. The way I actually do it, I keep a notebook of what work that I do to your vehicle and the time that I worked on it. I mean, you know, not do every vehicle from 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock every day. May start on it at 8:30 and work till 11, take a long break, whatever, or I'm waiting for some filler to dry or what have you. That way you only pay for the time that I am on the vehicle, and like I say, that will reflect in the notebook and reflect on your weekly invoice, as well as a video will be put up every week on YouTube of your build. That way you're able to see what was done and how it was done. Just another service we provide, that way you know that you get your money's worth and you're getting what you pay for. So, no matter what type of vehicle you have and how far you want to go with it, whether it be, like I say, a big custom job, a full restoration, or just some repairs on it, you know, be it a daily driver or something like that, or a little weekend warrior project, we're happy to do it. And also, guys, I know a lot of y'all are thinking, well, I would do business with you, but I live so far away. Well, think about it. Nowadays, it doesn't cost a fortune to have a car shipped anywhere. I was checking them out online, and I think the last time I checked, like $700, $800, and that was like from California to Tennessee. You know, I mean, prices change with gas and all of that stuff. But still, if you want quality work and you want it done right and you want it done at a fair price, this is a shop you need to have your car at. So, if you're considering it, holler at some of these companies, because they will, you know, ship your car down here without any issues. And as far as the paperwork, legality, and payments and stuff like that, I mean, this is modern day internet. We can work it out and get it done. That's no problem whatsoever. Happy to work with my customers in any way that I can. So, if y'all are interested, you can send me an email. You can just simply give us a phone call, or you can hit us up on our Facebook page and send a message there. I will put a thing at the end of the video with all that information for those of y'all that are interested. Well, everyone, I appreciate you catching the video. I hope a lot of y'all are considering doing business here. Like I say, be happy to do whatever you need done, and we'll do it right, and you'll be happy with the work, I guarantee it. Again, we appreciate it very much, and if you would, throw down some comments if you're able. Hit us up on Patreon and or the Super Thanks, and please like, share, and subscribe so we can get this channel out there and get more people knowing about our shop and get some more awesome cars built. Guys, sure do appreciate it much. Until the next one, we hope that everyone has a fantastic day.